Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel, I share with you how to grow your child's hair. So if you are interested in such content, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you do not miss a video from us. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 things you can do to grow your child's hair faster and healthier. Let's get right into it. The first thing you have to do in growing your child's hair is to have a routine and be consistent with it. You are going to have to decide what to add to the hair routine. Whatever you do, don't take out shampooing, conditioning, and most importantly, moisturizing the hair. To know how I moisturize Na's hair, I have a video on it. I'll put the link in the description box below so that you can watch it. The second thing you have to do to grow your child's hair is to treat the hair or deep condition the hair. Deep condition restores the hair's health and then it helps the hair to grow thicker. So it is a real game changer you need to add to your child's hair routine. There are tons of videos on YouTube on how to deep condition the hair. Maybe very soon I'll do a video on how I deep condition Na's hair. After doing all these wonderful things for your child's hair, the third thing you need to do is to protect the hair. Na sleeps with a satin bonnet to protect the hair while sleeping. If your child cannot sleep in a satin bonnet, you need to spread a silk or a satin material on the bed where your head lies. By the way, if you are in Ghana and you need a satin bonnet for your daughter, I'll leave my contact in the description box so you can contact me to purchase one. In protecting the hair, you also need to be very gentle when handling the hair. Make sure you are not handling the hair or you are not manipulating the hair when it is dry. To demonstrate this, I'll show you how I take down a rubber band hairstyle. I first spray some water onto the hair. Then I apply oil to the rubber band to make it easy to take it out. Gently remove the hair from the rubber band. If the rubber band gets stuck with the hair, I cut the rubber band to protect the hair. And then you need to avoid tight hairstyle, heavy extensions and accessories, avoid chemicals in their hair. Make sure whatever you do to the hair, you are gentle with it. It's not creating tension on her scalp, it's not creating tension on the hair itself, and your child's hair is going to grow amazingly if you follow these 3 steps. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have learned something new in this video, please leave a comment down below so that I can know that this video has been helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you in our next one.